Yo, what's up, everybody? All right, Yamaha Banshee clutch cushions all worn out? Is this primary gear all sloppy? Let me show you what it takes to rebuild this OEM basket or an aftermarket one. See ya. Alright guys, so we have here is a factory Yamaha Banshee clutch basket. It actually has some worn out clutch cushions in it. And you can see that by the slop in the gear right here by me moving it back and forth. And that's due to the cushions underneath this plate being worn out. It's a common part on the Banshee and the Yamaha Blaster actually to wear out. And it is replaceable, they are rebuildable, there are cushions and kits that you can buy to rebuild it, but they don't make it easy to rebuild. And I want to show you how to do it. So let me show you the first step on how to start taking this bad boy apart. Alright, see ya. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to replace this standard basket with a billet aftermarket basket. But before I could build the new billet basket, I got to release this primary gear to put on the new basket. In order to do that, I got to grind down these 4 rivets flush with this plate, which will release this plate, which will release the gear, and then I can put it on that new basket. So let me get to grinding and get this gear off. See ya. Fire in the hole, baby. Grab a hammer punch, just tap on the top of the rivets, and that should release that plate. Once you pop the rivets loose, take the plate off. Alright, you can see the cushions are all worn out. They're sitting in there all loose and sloppy. It's not the way it's supposed to be, and that's why that gear had that movement. Alright, so now we pull the gear off. Comes off just like so. Take all these cushions. You know what to do with these bad boys, right? Alright, now we got the plate, cushions, and gear off. Now what we have to do next is take these rivets and we got to hit them all the way through. We got to push them all the way through the basket. So let's hit them through. Alright, so this is what your basket should look like at this point. No hardware in it at all. We pushed out all 4 rivets. All the hardware is removed and it's ready for the next step. And the next step is going to be to drill and tap these 4 holes. And you're going to drill and tap these 4 holes to the size of the bolts that were supplied in your rebuild kit for your factory basket. I'm not going to drill and tap these holes on this basket here because I'm rebuilding this clutch with an aftermarket billet basket. And they came with the holes already pre-drilled. So once you get your holes drilled up, you'll be at the point to rebuild this bad boy. So let's start rebuilding it. See ya. Here, let's grab the basket. Alright, so this is what we're going to use to rebuild this bad boy. We're going to use a Vitos billet clutch basket, some up racing clutch cushions, the aftermarket rebuild plate with the bolts, and the factory primary gear. Alright, let's pop this bad boy together. See ya. Alright, so this is how you rebuild it. Grab your clutch basket, flip it upside down. Primary gear, slip it on. Clutch basket cushions, stick them in each hole. Like so. New cushions, nice and tight. Spring, plate, contoured up, bolts, red Loctite. Now guys, she's all rebuilt. It's tight as a tiger. She's ready to be put back on your bike. Hope this video helped, guys. See ya.